Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is x squared divided by 2 plus 12 divided by x squared is equal to 6. So we need to find all possible values of x. So starting our solution, our problem is x squared divided by 2 plus 12 divided by x squared is equal to 6. Now let us suppose that m is equal to x squared. So we just substitute this value here, then we have m squared, that x squared is equal to m. So here m, not m squared, but m divided by 2, and plus 12 divided by x squared is equal to m, that is equal to 6. So now if we just take least common multiple, which is 2m, so that is 2m. So dividing 2m by 2, then we have m, so m times m is m squared. Here m is cancelled out with m, 2 times 12 is 24, that is equal to 6. Now multiplying both hand side by 2m, then we have 2m multiplied by m squared plus 24 divided by 2m, and similarly 6 multiplied by 2 times m. So we have just multiplied 2m on both hand side. Here 2m is cancelled out with 2m, so we have m squared plus 24, that is equal to 12. 6 times 2 is 12m. Now shifting this 12m, we have minus 12m plus 24 is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So for this purpose we have to write quadratic formula, that is equal to m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. But here the value of this coefficient of m squared is equal to 1, so here a is equal to 1, where b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to 24. Now putting these values in our this quadratic formula, then we have m is equal to minus time minus b is minus 12 plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 12 squared, and minus 4 times a is 1, c is 24, all over 2 times a, that is 2 times a is 1. So here we have m is equal to minus time minus is plus 12 plus minus, here square of 12, that is equal to 144, minus 4 times 24 is equal to 96 square root, all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now our next step is, so m is equal to 12 plus minus 144 minus 96 is equal to 48 square root, all over 2. Here we have m is equal to 12 plus minus this 48 can also be written as 16 times 3 square root, all over 2. Now our next step will be m is equal to 12 plus minus, here it can be written as we know that if we have a times b whole square root, it is equal to square root of a times square root of b. So here it is square root of 16 times square root of 3 all over 2. So m is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 16 is equal to 4 times square root of 3 all over 2. Now if we just take 2 is common, so here m is equal to 2 is common, so 6 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 all over 2. Now cancelling 2 with 2, we have two values of m, that is 6 plus minus. Here we have m is equal to 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. Let's say it is m1. And similarly m2 is 6 minus 2 times square root of 3. Now we have to just find the value of x. So for this purpose we have to recall our position here, which is m is equal to x squared. M is equal to x squared. Now recalling that m is equal to x squared. So here we have x squared is equal to 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. So here we have 6 times 2, 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. Now if we take square root on both hand side, taking square root, cancelling square with square root, we have x is equal to plus minus square root of 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. So we have here two values of x, that plus and minus square root of 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. Similarly, if we put here, then recalling this m is equal to x square, so here it is equal to x2, means x squared is equal to 6 minus 2 times square root of 3. So again taking square root on both hand side, cancelling square with square root, we have x is equal to plus minus 6 minus 2 times square root of 3. So here actually we have two values of x here and two values of x here, 3 and 4. So here we have just find out four values of x. So it is our final answer, that is x1 is equal to 6 plus 2 times square root of 3 whole square root, and x2 is equal to minus square root of 6 plus 2 times square root of 3. Now x3, that is x3 is, here we have plus square root of 6 minus 2 times square root of 3, and similarly x4 is equal to minus square root of 6, that is minus 2 times square root of 3. So it is our final answer. We have just find out four values of x by using different techniques. Now we have to just check our entire solution here. So it is our entire solution. Now that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.